today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files with Microsoft Teams. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to send documents, images, and other files to your colleagues right from a chat, whether they're stored on your computer or in the cloud. Let's start from the main Teams window. Once you're signed in, look for the chat section, usually on the left-hand side of the screen. Go ahead and click chat. This is where all your one-on-one and group conversations live, and it's also where file sharing most commonly happens. Next, choose the conversation where you want to share your file. You can either click an existing chat from the list or start a new one. To create a new chat, use the New Chat button, then type in the names or email addresses of the people you want to message and confirm your selection. Once you see the message box at the bottom of the screen, you're ready to attach a file. Just below that message box, look for a small paperclip icon, sometimes labeled as the Attach Files icon. Click this icon to open your file sharing options. This is the key button you'll use anytime you want to send a document in Teams. When you click the clip, Teams will give you a choice of where to pull your file from. Typically, you'll see options like uploading from your computer or from cloud locations such as OneDrive or other connected storage. If your file is saved locally on your device, choose the option that refers to your computer or this device. If you've already stored the file in the cloud, select the cloud option, which is great for keeping a single, always up-to-date version that everyone can access. After you choose your source, follow the on-screen prompts. For a local file, this usually means a standard file picker will open, where you can browse through your folders, select the file you want and click Open. For a cloud file, you may see a list of recent documents or folders to navigate. Select the right file, then confirm. You'll now see the file appear in the chat message box ready to send. If you want, you can add a short message to give context, like why you're sharing it or what you want others to review. When everything looks good, click Send. Teams will upload the file